Web development moves fast. The tech industry loves to talk about credentials. New Angular control flow, Next.js for the front, FastAPI, Python, Flutter, CSS, best practices. This is the Developer Show. If I had to pick one tech stack to build an application in 2025, it's this. FastAPI for the backend, Next.js for the frontend. FastAPI gives you Python simplicity, async performance, and Swagger documentation out of the box. But what makes it really shine right now? It's perfect for building GenAI backends. Whether you're integrating OpenAI, Gemini, or custom models, FastAPI makes it super easy to expose smart endpoints with minimal code. For example, you need to create an endpoint that analyzes a meal picture and retrieves the calories in the macros. Boom, you can do it. Then on the front end, Next.js gives you a fast, scalable user interface that can consume those endpoints beautifully. And you can utilize generated types to make it work seamlessly with your FastAPI backend. If you want to build your first GenAI app, or just want a clean modern stack that actually scales, try these two together.